Anticipation surrounding DJI's next flagship camera drone, the Mavic 4, has reached a fever pitch. Recent leaks, including a tweet from Jasper Ellens showcasing a possible beta unit, have ignited discussions within drone communities. While initial speculation centered on the potential release of the Air 4 first, Ellens' revelation seems to confirm the imminent arrival of the Mavic 4. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about what we know about the DJI Mavic 4. Insights gleaned from Ellens' tweet suggest a potential launch date of August 1st, 2024. This aligns with DJI's historical launch trends, with new flagship models typically unveiled in July or August. Additionally, discussions on prominent drone forums, such as DJI's own platform, lend further credence to this timeframe. While the Mavic may 4th not represent a complete overhaul compared to its predecessor, leaked information suggests significant advancements designed to elevate the user experience, particularly for professional and enthusiast aerial content creators. Ellens hints at the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, potentially a true 1-inch sensor compared to the Mavic 3's 4x3 CMOS sensor. This upgrade has the potential to significantly improve image sharpness and detail in captured footage. Professional aerial cinematographers will likely appreciate the ability to capture stunning visuals with exceptional clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Images shared by Igor Bogdanov suggest the Mavic 4 will boast larger batteries. This translates to a potentially substantial increase in flight time, possibly reaching 50 minutes. Extended flight duration offers greater flexibility for capturing complex aerial shots, allowing creators to experiment with different angles and perspectives to bring their vision to life. The Mavic 4 is rumored to feature OcuSync 4 Plus technology, enabling video transmission with a range of up to 20 kilometers. This enhanced technology promises a more reliable and stable data connection, minimizing the risk of signal loss during operation. This is particularly important for professional users who rely on a consistent connection to monitor live footage and ensure the integrity of their captured content. Based on available information, the Mavic 4 appears to prioritize user experience refinement rather than introducing radical changes. Increased flight time, a potentially superior sensor, and improved video transmission all point towards a more powerful and reliable drone for professional and enthusiast aerial content creators. With the Mavic 4 on the horizon, some may be pondering its positioning compared to the DJI Air 3 series. While details about the Air 3 remain limited, leaked information suggests the Mavic 4 will cater to a more professional audience. Its larger size, potentially better sensor, and longer flight time position it as a more capable tool for professional aerial applications. The Air series, on the other hand, may continue to target hobbyists and prosumers seeking a more portable and potentially more affordable option for capturing stunning aerial visuals. The DJI Mavic 4 appears poised to push the boundaries of aerial content creation. With its rumored features, it promises to be a compelling option for both hobbyists and professional aerial content creators. As the official unveiling approaches, we eagerly await further details about this highly anticipated drone. Its potential advancements in image quality, flight time, and video transmission could usher in a new era of creative possibilities for aerial filmmakers and photographers. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.